Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Meena Mehboob Teacher. Today I'm here with the concept of addition and subtraction, but with 3-digit numbers. Okay, come to the board. 3-digit addition and subtraction. Okay, concept of 3-digit addition and subtraction. Okay, I'm going to write here a question. Question is 348. Okay, plus today I will not write first the place value. Okay, first we will write a number. The next number is 162. Now tell me, what is the place value of rightmost digit? It's ones. Okay, what is the place value of after rightmost digit? Tens. Okay, what is the place value of after the second rightmost digit? Hundreds. Okay, hundreds. Now it's called 3-digit number. It's called 3-digit number. Okay, you already know what we will do. We will first solve the ones place. Okay, look at the ones place. And one thing more, always remember, write the answer under the place value always. Don't write here and there. Okay, okay, what is the smaller number in ones place? It's 2. 2. Open the finger of smaller number. 2. Okay, and start counting after greater number. After 8, on these two fingers, 9, 10. Okay, 9, 10. This is 10. Okay, what we will write? The rightmost digit we will write in ones place. Okay, now cancel it, and the second number we will transfer to tens place, and the number is 1. Okay, number is 1. We will not write here 10. Okay, it's wrong. The second digit we will carry in tens place. Got it? Okay. Now look at the board. What is the smaller number in tens place? The smaller number is 4. Open the finger of smaller number. 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And start counting after bigger number. What is the bigger number here? Bigger number is 6. Start counting after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. But still stop here because 1 is carry here. What is the number carry? 1. After 10, 1, 11. Okay, 11. What is the number of tens place? What is the answer of tens place? It's 11. 11. What we will do? Same. The rightmost digit we will write in tens place, and we will not write here 11. Look at the board like this. We will not write in this form. We will erase the second number, and what we will do? We will carry in hundreds place like this. Okay. Okay. Now come to the 100 place. What is the smaller number here? The smaller number is 1. Okay, and start counting after the bigger number. 3 and 4, and stop. What we will do? Look at the number carry. The number carry is 1. Open the finger of 1 again, and after 4, 5. Yes. Now this is the answer of addition question with 3-digit number. And what is the place value of 3rd-digit number? Hundreds. What is the place value of 3rd-digit number? Hundreds. Got it? Okay, this is the solution of this addition sum. Okay, and always remember, write the answer in accurate at the under of ones place, and accurately under the tens place, and accurately under the 100 place. Don't write here and there. Here and there. Okay. Now come to the next question. And next question is of subtraction. Okay, with 3-digit number. I'm going to write here 647. Okay, minus, or you can say subtract the other number. The other number is 238. 238. Okay, first of all, what we will do? We will write the place value. What is the place value of 7? Ones. What is the place value of 4? Tens. What is the place value of 6? Hundreds. Okay. Similarly, we have done in addition question. Similarly, we will solve. We will first write the place value of the numbers. Okay, the digits. Now, what we will do? We will solve first ones place. Can you think 7 can subtract 8 because it is smaller than 8? Always remember the smaller number can't subtract the bigger number. So what 7 will do? 7 will go to the number. 7 will go to the tens place, and tens place is 4. Okay. What the tens place will do? Tens place he is going to tens place to borrow 1. To borrow 1 because he want to big and powerful to subtract number 8. Okay. Now 4 is going to give 1 to 7. It will become 17. It has given 1 to 1's place. Now we will cut 1 from 4. What is the number now here? 3. Okay. Rather than 4, 3 because 1 has given to 1's place. Now 7 has borrowed 1 from 10's place. Now come to the point. Now 17 is powerful. It can subtract 8 easily. Okay. What is the smaller number here now? The smaller number is 8. Okay. Make a fist. Make a fist like this. Okay. And start counting after the smaller number till greater number. After 8, open the fingers of fist. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now count the fingers. Count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer of 1's place is 9. Okay? The answer of 1's place is 9. Now come to the 10's place. Okay, can we subtract? What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Can we subtract 3 minus 3? Yes, we can subtract. And the answer will be 0. And the answer will be 0 because they both are same. Okay, when the both same numbers will subtract, the answer will be 0. 0, okay. Now come to the hundreds place, okay. And look at my question. 1's place answer is under the 1's place. 10's place answer is under the 10's place. And now come to the hundreds place. Similarly, we will done it here. What is the smaller number here? To make a fist, start counting till greater number. 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. This is 3-digit subtraction. Okay? Hope so. It will helpful for you and you people will enjoy when you will adopt this method. Okay. Thank you so much to watch my video and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Till then, goodbye.